everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have Hannah and Erin with me, and we are going to be doing a DIY face mask. We're going to be doing 2 of them today, and I have Dylan in the background here, my little niece. If you hear little jibbery jabberies, it's her. You might hear some screaming, some crying, some barking, so there's dogs. Yeah, so the good old life of... Yeah, there she is again. Yeah. Hi. You might hear some highs.
Yeah, she likes to say that.
Hi. There you go.
Yep, wouldn't be fitting without that.
Okay, so we're going to be doing some DIY face masks. We are going to be doing 2 of them. One of them is going to be a oatmeal banana honey mask, and the other one is going to be an egg white and coffee ground mask. So, alright, let's get started. So, the one we're going to do, let's start with the, should we do the egg white coffee ground mask? Sure. Okay, so we already have the egg white in here. So, I'm just going to take this, and we'll just take the coffee grounds.
Can I put it in?
Sure. Just take a tablespoon and put the coffee grounds in there. Perfect. And then, I suppose,
I want to mix it.
go get a spoon. I just make my daughter do it. We'll set that aside for now. And then with the oatmeal.
You want to stir it? Yeah.
Yeah, so you stir that, and with the oatmeal banana honey one, you just need 1/3 of a banana. And we're just gonna mash. Try to mash.
Yeah, they're pretty.
This banana up.
They're not quite ready, so.
They're not ripe. They're kind of not ripe.
It smells yummy.
It does smell yummy.
It smells sugar.
It smells like breakfast.
Banana?
And the coffee.
Hannah, did you know that the best part of waking up
It's Folgers in your cup.
is Folgers in your cup?
It's true.
It's so true.
What?
You're too young to understand,
Yeah.
Hannah.
I don't understand. What does that mean?
It means that the best part of waking up is Folgers in your cup. Come on.
I don't know what that means.
Okay, so we have that, and then
How much honey?
we need a tablespoon of honey. And then
Take a lot of honey.
that's what it calls for. Oh, we might need more. This seems kind of thin. We're gonna, you know what? We're gonna go for it. We're going for it. We need more coffee in that SOB.
Why are you saying random words?
Not.
The words that you are saying don't make sense.
See, well, you're right. I mean, I don't know what SOB means.
Just make sense.
Alright.
Oh yeah, this is a lot thicker.
There you go. So we don't have regular oatmeal here, so we're going to use bananas and cream today. It works. It's the same thing.
You don't have regular oatmeal.
No.
What is so funny?
I just have the fruit with the fruit oatmeal.
It'll work, right?
Yeah, well, I was going to use the strawberries and cream, but I thought that this would be a little bit more...
With the bananas in it, right?
Yeah, so it's not like red chunks all over my face. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so we're going to add my bananas and cream oatmeal to the honey. And
Okay, now we're recording again. Okay, so now we're just going to apply. I can't see. Okay, now we're just going to apply. And with the egg whites being in this one, it's going to make my face really, really tight.
The zombie mask.
It's going to be like the zombie mask.
And this feels so... It's falling all over. But it feels really, really good on your face, so...
And both of these masks, they're going to help with inflammation. And they're going to both help with redness.
And smaller pores.
And smaller pores.
It doesn't even look like you guys are applying anything to your faces.
I know.
Well, my pants. That was it. Oh my god.
I don't know, maybe I added too much
You have more
coffee.
on your clothes than you do on your face.
I know.
I have a mirror over here, so that's what I'm trying. So I'm like pushing Erin like out of the thing.
Here, maybe we can move it right here.
Well, no, because then it would be covering up the camera.
Oh god.
Right here. It would be covering the camera.
Hmm.
Oh god.
I mean, it smells good.
Yeah, I mean, it feels really good on your face.
It does feel good.
Oh, sorry.
Mom, you look like you got buried into like the dirt and it was like mud with
I do get buried.
dirt.
Now I'm just kind of like tapping it on because I feel like that helps.
Yeah.
All the particles on it. It's just like
This kind of looks like Oreos
yeah.
crushed up.
If I saw that, I'd be like, who crushed up Oreos and mixed it with milk?
Crushed up Oreos.
You just squeezed my butt.
And then we just let this sit for 30 minutes.
My turn, Mom.
I'm not done. Don't rush me. I can already feel this tightening. But yeah, this will help with redness,
Where's the
smaller
medicine
pores, and all that good junk.
at? Can you grab her medicine? I gotta try and hide this. She can't.
I mean, we're already sexy enough as it is,
It's clear. Here.
but this will just help.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
I think you're done.
Bug off. Okay.
My turn. Alright, can I sit in your spot?
Means I have to get up.
Good.
That's not fair.
Oh, you look so pretty.
I know, I look amazing.
That's like someone vomited on my face. Just leave it on for half an hour and then you just rinse off with warm water and pat dry.
Oh, this feels so gross.
You know.
Yeah, so you'll rinse it off with warm water. You don't need soap. And you just pat it dry. So once she's done applying this, I don't even think you really need to watch her apply it. But yeah, we'll be back after 30 minutes. We'll come back before we rinse it off. And we'll let you know how it feels or whatever. And then, yeah, we'll be back after 30 minutes. All right, see you soon.
Bye.
Bye. Alright guys, we're back. It's been 30 minutes and we are feeling pretty tight. How do you guys feel?
Yeah, I feel like my face is gonna crack in half.
Yeah.
But it feels good.
Yeah, it does. I'm definitely ready to rinse this off. Oh, of course, kid starts crying.
There's still so much honey left in this.
Yeah, I see that. Oh. God! Didn't bark the entire time we were letting this sit.
Nope. But
It was scary how.
we're gonna go rinse it off and
We'll be back
Let you
after and we'll let you know how our skin feels. Alright, see you in a few. Okay. We just got done rinsing it off, and what do you think?
I liked it a lot. I feel really refreshed and my skin's very soft, and I highly recommend it, and it's easy and it's everything in your cupboard already. So.
Yeah, I agree. I agree. The one thing I will say that with the coffee is that it's a really good exfoliant. When you're washing it off, it really gets all the dead stuff off. I really like that. So I guess if you really don't like the grittiness feeling of an exfoliant, you probably wouldn't like it, but I really liked it. Hannah, what did you think?
Yeah, I agree with everything you said.
Yeah, and it's pretty much everything that you have in your cupboards or your fridge at home, so.
One thing, if you get it in like tiny hairs, it will hurt. That's all I have to say.
So don't get it in your hair, is that what you're saying?
Yeah, don't get it in your hair.
Alright, don't get it in your hair.
Or probably your eye.
Or your eye.
That might hurt too.
Also, it tastes disgusting.
Yeah.
Tastes disgusting. I recommend not eating it.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
It got on my lip.
Got on her lip. So don't put it on your upper lip.
But no, my face feels great. I love it. I'll do it again.
Yeah, it was fun. And if you have bananas and cream oatmeal,
It works.
it works. Doesn't matter what kind of oatmeal you have.
No. Nope.
We don't discriminate here.
No, we don't.
Yeah.
We use what we got.
Yeah. We don't discriminate.
I
Nope.
look so tiny.
All right. Well, I think that's
Oh my god.
that's all we got for you. So, all
I'm an old man.
right. As always, don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button, and let me know if you try these masks or if you have any recommendations for us, or if you want us to try anything. Let us know. All right, guys. Bye.